Most people think you need a degree or years of experience to break into digital marketing. What most beginners don't realize is that people with zero background are landing their first digital marketing roles in 8 to 12 weeks, starting around $57,000 a year and scaling to 90K plus without going back to school. I transitioned from human resources into digital marketing 5 years ago, and I've watched this shift happen firsthand. In this video, I'm going to show you what digital marketing actually is, the exact step-by-step path beginners are using right now, and the biggest mistakes that's quietly wasting months of people's time. Digital marketing sounds complicated, but it's actually one of the most useful skills you can learn today, and you don't need a degree to do it. Basically, digital marketing is how brands promote their products and services online. Think social media, short form and long form content, email marketing, building websites, getting ranked on Google, and even showing up on AI search engines. Now, I know that might sound technical at first, but here is the good news. Anyone can learn this. You don't need a marketing degree, and you don't need to be seen as some sort of tech genius. These are skills you can actually learn step by step. And yes, people ask all the time, what about AI? Isn't digital marketing going to disappear? Well, the truth is, it might change how things work, but digital marketing is still going to be there. Every business needs digital marketing. Big brands like Nike, the coffee shop down the street, your uncle who's a real estate agent. Doesn't matter what business is, everyone needs more customers. And if you can learn how to help businesses get customers online, you're building a skill set that's basically future-proof. And that's where you come in. There are over 5,000 digital marketing jobs out there right now. Most of them are remote. And you don't need any degree or any experience to get started. You just need to learn the right skills in the right order. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get yourself into a digital marketing role that pays well without having a degree. I want to give you some context first, because I've personally used this exact approach to break into the industry. I never started digital marketing in school, and honestly, I don't even know what they teach in school. Everything I've done to break into this industry, I've taught myself. So what I'm about to share with you is exactly what I did. The first step is simple, but you need to learn the skill. You can go to school and do all the high-level education stuff, but if you can't actually apply the skill, it won't matter. Think about it like this. Whether you have a degree or not, if an employer sat you down, put you in front of a computer and said, this is my company, now build me an email campaign, would you be able to do it? That is the real question you need to answer. And chances are, if you're watching this video trying to break into the industry, the answer is probably a no. That is where this first step comes in. You need to start learning the core skills of digital marketing. Now, digital marketing has a lot of different parts to it. And because of that, it can feel overwhelming trying to figure out what you actually like. So here's what I recommend to make this way easier. I recommend creating a simple project. Start by picking a hobby or interest you already have. For example, let's say you're into photography. What I want you to do is create a small fake photography business, and then this doesn't need to be serious at all. Your only goal is to try to get one customer using digital marketing. Because of that goal, you'll naturally be forced to learn the skill. First, you'll need to learn how to create a simple website. And to do that, there are tons of online tools that make this easy. Next, you'll need to figure out how to get people to that website. Now, that might mean learning social media marketing. That might mean running Google ads or Facebook ads. On top of that, you probably need to build some kind of audience or something of that nature. And so because of that, that could mean creating a newsletter to capture emails. This helps you understand if people are actually interested in what you have to offer. Now, I know this might sound a little high level, but if you go through this one project, you will learn a ton. You'll cover websites, social media, ads, email marketing, and audience building. By the time you finish, you'll have a very clear idea of what parts of digital marketing you like and what you don't. And on top of that, you'll have real actual skills. You'll also have a real project you can put into a portfolio. And that's exactly what makes hiring managers way more likely to give you a job in digital marketing. Now, trying to do this all on your own can be a little tough. And this is where having some structure can really help. For example, you can sign up for a program like Course Careers and their digital marketing program. They walk you step by step through how to set up things like Google Ads. You'll learn the actual skill set, not just theory, and that includes Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Looker Studio, and how to run ads online. So by the end of the program, you'll have actual real hands-on skills. This matters because trying to do everything on your own can be very overwhelming. But when you have a clear structure and guidance, it becomes a lot easier to follow through and get results. Okay, step number 3, build portfolio projects while you learn. I touched on this a little earlier, but one of the biggest things that will help you get a job in digital marketing is having a portfolio. The hiring process is all about giving employers a clear feel for your actual skill set and what you can actually do. It's one thing to say, I create content on social media, but it's a complete different thing to link them to a content piece you've already created. They can scroll through it, watch it, and instantly understand your skill level. That's why this next part is so important. You need to build a portfolio of projects while you learn. Remember that side business I mentioned earlier? Well, even if it's a fake one, as you build it, collect everything you create. Save the website, save the social media posts, save the email campaigns, put all of that into a portfolio, because by the end of the day, this is what determines whether a hiring manager hires you for a digital marketing role or not. And now step 5. Use Career Launchpad to launch your first job. This is where Course Careers can really help. On top of teaching you the core stuff like Google Ads, they also have you work on real-world projects. Those projects can turn into actual examples you can screenshot, link to, and add to your portfolio. They also help you build and optimize your resume and LinkedIn profile so you look like a much stronger candidate. So by the time you finish the program, you're not just saying you have the skills. You actually have proof that you can do what you say you can do. You'll have real projects to show hiring managers. Your resume and LinkedIn will be fully optimized as well. Course Careers also has an entire section that walks you through exactly how to set up your resume. They show you how to optimize your LinkedIn. They teach you how to apply to companies the right way, and they help you get ready for your interviews. You also get access to free workshops and affordable one-to-one coaching. Plus, they offer an AI-powered mock interviewer, so you can practice interviews as much as you want. The entire course typically takes about 8 to 12 weeks to complete. The pricing is $499 as a one-time payment, or you can split it into 4 payments of $150 each. There are literally no hidden fees. On top of that, once you finish the program, you'll also earn a certification you can show employers to prove you completed the training. Now, those steps will get you started, but if you skip what I'm about to show you next, you could waste months applying to jobs the wrong way and getting 0 responses. You need to understand that employers don't care about theory. They don't care that you watched a bunch of YouTube videos or read some marketing book. What they care about is whether you can log into Google Ads, set up a campaign, write good ad copy, analyze performance data, and make sure decisions improve results. That's the gap between people who land jobs and people who don't. The people who get jobs have hands-on platform experience. They've actually built campaigns, made mistakes, learned from them, and can speak confidently about what works. I learned this when I was going from working in HR to digital marketing. I spent my lunch breaks reading marketing blogs during my full-time job. Then in the evenings, I'd sneak away to a university cafeteria and start applying everything I learned to my small side business. I did that day after day after day, and I kept repeating that process until I became good. That hands-on practice made all the difference. When I finally got my first marketing role, it wasn't because I had a marketing degree. It was because I could show real work I'd done and speak intelligently about the process. I even created a 20-minute YouTube video where I audited a marketing agency's website and showed them how they could improve their copy to attract more clients. That video got shared with the CEO, and that is how I landed my first interview in digital marketing. Now, I wouldn't have been able to make that video if it weren't for the hours I actually spent practicing. The problem with most online courses is they teach you theory, but they don't actually make you do the work itself. That's why the project-based approach is much better. You can't just be learning about Google Ads. You need to actually get inside Google Ads and start building campaigns, testing ad copy, and analyzing performance. That's what separates you from anyone else who applies. That's the skill gap no one talks about. The theory isn't enough to get you hired. You need practical, hands-on experience. Now, let me show you what your actual day will look like once you land that first role. So what does your actual day look like as a digital marketer? And this is coming from someone who's worked in-house at a software company. I've worked at digital marketing agencies in the past before as well. And I've also run my own marketing consultancy, working with multiple clients at the same time. So I feel like I have a good understanding. Your morning usually starts by catching up on emails, but you're also checking analytics, dashboards, and performance numbers. You're looking at campaigns, ads, posts, and anything that went live the day before. The goal is to make sure everything is performing the way it should. If the numbers aren't where they need to be, you'll find out why and you're gonna fix it. Now, let's say you're in a Google Ads type of role. The big part of your day will be brainstorming new variations to ad copy and creatives. That's just marketing language for writing different headlines and messages for ads. You'll also create images or even videos to go along with them. If you're a creative person, this is usually the part you enjoy the most. If you work in-house or at an agency, your day will also include a lot of meetings. You'll meet with clients or internal teams to give updates on how campaigns are performing. If things are going well, great. If they're not, you'll explain what changes you're going to make to improve results. That means presentations, strategy updates, and client communication are all part of the job. And if you're working at a startup or in an agency, things can move really, really fast. One week, you're focused on one project. The next week, something urgent comes up and everything shifts. But if you like numbers, enjoy being creative, and do well in a fast-paced environment, and if you don't want to do the same boring tasks over and over and over again, then digital marketing is a great fit for you. But there is one mistake you have to avoid at all costs if you want a successful career path in this field. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing the wrong path to learn. Here's my advice. Don't waste your money on a 4-year marketing degree. I've got a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology and an HR certificate, and none of that helped me get into digital marketing. What got me hired was the self-taught hands-on skills I built on my own. A degree will cost you thousands of dollars, take 4 years, and most of what you will learn will be outdated by the time you finish anyway. And employers don't care if you can write an essay about marketing funnels. They care if you can build one. You should avoid generic online courses that teach just theory without any hands-on practice. If a course doesn't make you actually log into Google Ads and Meta ads and build real campaigns, it's not getting you ready for the job. And avoid expensive boot camps that don't offer any help with finding a job. Some programs will charge you literally tens of thousands of dollars, give you the info, and then leave you on your own to figure out how to actually land a job. The other trap is thinking you can just apply online to hundreds of jobs and hope something sticks. That spray and pray method doesn't work. You need to be strategic. Think reaching out to hiring managers directly personalizing your outreach so you stand out from hundreds of other applicants. And if you can avoid these traps I just listed, you're already going to be ahead of 90% of the people that are trying to get into digital marketing. Now, here's the opportunity most people don't see. Let's talk about what this career can actually offer you. First, the money. Entry-level digital marketing roles start at around $57,000 a year, even with no experience. As you gain experience and start to specialize, you can hit 90K or more within a couple of years. And if you move into senior roles like marketing manager or CMO, you're looking at multiple six figures. My first digital marketing role paid about $33,000 a year Canadian. But once I specialized in marketing automation and lifecycle marketing, my income jumped to around $8,600 a month. That shift showed me just how much potential there is in this field. Second, flexibility. Most digital marketing roles are fully remote. That means you can work from home, from a coffee shop, or even from another country. I've personally been able to travel while still doing work I enjoy. For example, I spent time in Costa Rica while working with clients. It was a lot of fun. Third, fulfillment. I used to work in HR and honestly, I hated it. The work was draining and every Sunday I'd wake up dreading the week ahead. Now, working in digital marketing, I genuinely enjoy what I do. I feel like I'm constantly learning, growing, and improving. And number four, career trajectory. Digital marketing is a skill set that opens the doors to dozens of different roles. You can go into paid search, paid social, email marketing, content marketing, or even start your own agency. That's the lifestyle. Now, let me get into the specifics about why I'm recommending course careers for you. Now, in this video, you've noticed that I've kept mentioning course careers. That's because I was given access to the course material myself and went through the program to see if it actually delivers what it says it will. I wanted to know if this content could genuinely help someone transition into digital marketing. And from what I saw, I'm confident that it can. If you're looking for a more structured way to break into digital marketing and want to see if course careers could be a good fit, here's a bit more context. The course is taught by Brendan De La Rua. He has years of experience running advertising campaigns for Fortune 500 companies, publicly traded firms, and even Hollywood movies. He's not some guru, he's someone who's actually done the work at the highest level. What really stands out is how the course is structured to make you job ready. You start with marketing foundations covering core concepts, paid versus organic, marketing funnels, and key metrics. Then you get hands-on platform training with Google Ads and Meta Ads. You learn creative development and copywriting using the ADA framework, and you learn tracking and analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Google Analytics 4. And you build reports using Looker Studio. Throughout the course, you build 4 portfolio-ready projects. These include media planning, Google Ads setup, Meta setup, and campaign data analysis. You're also prepared for Google Ads, Meta Blueprint, and GA4 certifications. After that, the Career Launchpad section teaches you how to set up your resume, you learn how to optimize your LinkedIn, you learn how to reach out to hiring managers and prepare you for interviews. You also get access to free workshops and affordable one-on-one coaching. They even offer course accelerator groups and job search accelerator groups. That means you go through the program as part of a structured cohort with live weekly classes. The pricing is $499 as a one-time payment, or you can split it into 4 payments of $150 each. When you compare that to a $50,000 college degree or a $10,000 bootcamp, it's a fraction of the cost. And it's designed to actually get you job ready. I'm recommending course careers because I've seen what's inside the program and I know that it works. All right, let's wrap this up. So we've covered exactly what digital marketing is, the exact 5-step process to get started, what employers are looking for, what a day in the life looks like, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and why I'm recommending course careers. If you're feeling stuck in your current job, if you're looking for a career path with a real growth potential, remote flexibility, and the ability to make a solid income without needing a degree, digital marketing is one of the best paths you can take in 2026. Go to Course Careers and start the free intro course, no credit card required. And if you want more career advice, feel free to subscribe. The opportunity is there. The demand is there. The question is, are you going to take action? Start today, put in the work, and 8 to 12 weeks from now, you could be landing your first digital marketing role. Thanks for watching. Now go get started.